What's up, guys? My name is Goldberger, and today we're playing a game called Don't Press the Button. Because who knows what could happen if you press the button. Oh, wait, the button's disappeared. Okay, first we have to find the button. Some Mario music? I like it. By the way, guys, I play Bubblegum Simulator, but I'm kind of bad at the underworld right now. If you could, I need to borrow some pets to get better at the underworld so I can do giveaways. But right now, I kind of suck because I can't hatch anything right now. But I'm trying to hatch it. I'm trying to unlock the Fire King, but I have no luck. My goal is to unlock a secret pet. Pretty sure this is the fun zone. Dang it! So yeah, I just need help in Bubblegum Simulator because just if you need me, just text in the comments down below your username and we can trade and you can help me out. So yeah, let's press this button. I feel like something's gonna happen. Oh, I touch it. No, I shouldn't have touched it. That's a lot of damage. Okay, move, buddy. I'm trying to press the button. Move. 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 Okay. Press the button. Well, okay then. If that happened. There you go. Is that Baldy? Run. What happened to you? You know, I'm not even gonna ask. I'm just gonna press the button. Who pressed it? What is that? What is it? Why did you press it? Why? Why? So, yeah, I've always wanted to do one of those bubblegum sim videos where you like give away a secret pet. I mean, not give away, I meant like show off, but no, nobody was gonna let me. Quit following me. Nobody's gonna let me borrow it. It felt like it just like spiked my views if I like use a secret pet, like Sons of Fun. Uh, no. Where is it? Where is it? It's okay. So, yeah. If you want to let me borrow a secret pet, that'd be awesome. For like a video. I think hurry to the top. Go, go, go. You guys are slow pokes. Oh, you guys lagging my screen bad. Where do I go now? Oh, what the frick? I'm gonna press the button. Why did he press it? Dang it. What is that? What is that? Oh, not this one. Okay. Stupid bar got in the way. I would do more bubblegum sim like giveaways or like videos of like me getting all this pets or like showing off secret pet. I'm gonna go this way. You're so slow. Dang it. But no one wants to let me use a secret pet for the video. So if you do, make sure to comment your username down in the comment section down below. Stupid camera messing me up that time. Stupid what? Is someone actually still alive? Because I don't remember having to be in this box. There we go. Oh, not this one again. I didn't touch it. Oh well, at least I get to press the button. What is that? What is that? What is that? That's not my style. That's not my kind of dog right there. It's not. No way. There we go. What the freak is happening? No. I like trains. What's up with the camera spinning? Blew off my leg. Blew off my leg. Alright. Alright. Alright, I'll press the button. I'm a legless, loveless person that lived in outer space. Why? Why is it this one again? The old person thinks you're so good at hobbies. I'm better. Watch me rush past you and die like I meant to. Yeah. Yeah. This is fun. Dang it. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe to me and Signs of Fun. I forgot to take off the logo earlier. It's supposed to have like a little burger on the front, but like I forgot to change. Didn't expect to be recording right now. Boop, boop, boop. My goal is to beat this. But I gotta end the video soon, so yeah. If you're new, make sure to press that subscribe button, press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, hit the like button, comment user if you wanna like help me with videos, BGS. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.